To discuss a Leetcode problem of the day, and the name of the problem is water bottles. Basically, let's read the problem statement. It's an easy level problem, so let's begin. There are num bottles. Okay, there are num bottles, water bottles that are initially full of water. You can exchange empty water bottles from the market with one full water bottle. Okay, basically num bottles are the water bottles that are full of water. Okay, for example, num bottles are full of water full of water, and num exchange are empty water bottles. These are the empty water bottles. The and we have to replace it. We have to exchange the num exchange empty water bottles from the market with one full water bottle. Means if there are four, means four, for example, our num empty is 4, so 4 num empty equals to 1 num bottles, means one full bottle. Okay, for example, it is 5, so 5 num empty water bottle equals to 1 num bottle, means 5 empty bottles equals to one full water bottle. Okay, so basically the operation of drinking a full bottle turns it into an empty bottle. So we have been given two integers, num bottles and num exchange. Okay, we have to return the maximum number of water bottles you can drink. So basically, let's understand it with the help of an example. We have been given num bottles as 9 and num exchange as 3. This means 3 empty water bottles, means 3 empty water bottles equals to 1 full water bottle. Okay, 3 empty bottle equals to 1 full bottle according to this question. Okay, so we have been given 9 water bottles. Okay, as you can see, we have been given 9 water bottles. So basically, as we will drink the waters, this will become empty. Okay, so we have now 9 empty water bottles. So as you can see that 3 water bottles, 3 empty water bottle equals to 1 full bottle. So these are the respective full bottles. Okay, 3 empty bottle equals to 1 full bottle. Okay, now these 3 full bottles have become empty now. As you can see, these full bottles have become empty now. So the pair of 3 water bottles gives 1 water bottle, 1 full bottle. So in this way we have 9, 3 and 1. Okay, so we have total 13 water bottles to drink. Okay, so this was the problem statement. Let's understand it with the help of another example. So we have 15 water bottles with us, and here 4 empty water bottle equals to what? Wait a minute. 4 empty water bottle equals to 1 full bottle. As you can see, 4 empty bottle equals to 1 full bottle. Okay, so this is a row of 4 bottles. Okay, this is a row of 4 bottles. So as you can see, yes. Wait a minute. Yes, so basically now we have 15 empty bottles. So 4 empty water bottle equals to 1 full bottle, as you can see in this. Same for this row and same for this row, means we have 3 full bottles. First we have having 15 water bottles full, then we have 3 full bottles, and now we have 3 empty bottles left with us. Okay, so see, these 3 bottles will be substituted here. The 3 full bottle, yes, the 3 full bottle are this one. Okay, and these 3 bottles are this one. Okay, let me explain it more precisely. These three bottles are this one. Okay, and those marked with yellow ones are this one. Okay, this one. The red ones are the full bottles which have become empty now, and the yellow ones are the empty ones which were not chosen earlier. Now we have total of 6 empty water bottles, and as we know that 4 empty water bottle equals to 1 full bottle. Okay, so we have total of now 6 water bottles, 6 empty bottles, so we can have 1 full bottle. Okay, means it is 4 plus 2 equals to what? Okay, so we have 4 empty bottles to make it 1 full bottle. Okay, 4 empty bottles make of 1 full bottle, and we have now 2 bottles left. So these 2 bottles are added up earlier. Now these 3 bottles will make up this. So basically it's a tricky question and nothing else. So how you can solve the question? Okay, let's understand it in the approach. First of all, we will divide. How can we find the total number of empty bottles? Means the total number of full bottles we can make from the empty bottles. So we have been given us the num bottle as 15 and num exchange as 4. Okay, so total bottles, how many total full bottles we can make from empty bottles? So basically this 15 bottles will be empty now. Okay, so we can do 15 by 4, which is equals to what? 3. So basically here we have 3 full bottles we have got. Okay, and now 15 mod 4, 15 mod 4 equals to what? 15 mod 4 equals to 2. No, sorry, 15 mod 4 equals to 3. Okay, so we have got 3 full bottles and 3 empty bottles, 3 full and 3 empty, as you know. So total bottles are now with us 6 empty bottles. Okay, so 6 empty by 4 mod divided by 4 equals to what? It gives us 1. Okay, and 6 by 6 modulo 4 now gives us what? It gives us 2. So 1, wait a minute, so we have 1 full and 2 empty. So basically total we have now 3 bottles. So 3 by 4 equals to what? It cannot be divided. Okay, so as 3 is greater than 4, so no division, no division. Okay, so now we will count the total number of full bottles. We will count now the total number of full bottles. So first of all we were having total of 15 full bottles, then 3 and then 1. So we have got 15 plus 3 plus 1, which is equals to 19. So 19 is our answer. Okay, let's take another example, like a bigger example. Okay, let's suppose you have been given as num bottle as total 34 and num exchange equals to what? 5. Okay, so means 5 empty bottle equals to what? Equals to 1 full bottle. 5 empty bottle equals to 1 full bottle. Okay, so first of all we will, first iteration, first we will check, we will do this until our, we will use while loop. Okay, while 34 is greater than or equals to 5, means num bottle is greater than equals to num empty. Okay, till then we will do this. So first iteration. Okay, in first iteration our, and then and also we will use a count variable. Count equals to what? We will initialize it to num bottles. Count is num bottles. Okay, so at So first of all, our count is what? Our count is equals to what? 34. Okay, as you are able to see. Then at first iteration, at first iteration 34 by 5, which is equals to what? 5 6 are 30. Okay, we have got 6 full bottles. We have got 6 full bottles. Okay, and 34 mod 5. 34 mod 5 gives us what? It gives us uh, 4 as an answer. 4 empty bottles. Okay, so our count is increased to 34 plus 6. Okay, then second iteration, we have got total of 10 bottles. So 10 divided by 5, which is equals to what? 2. So we have got 2 full bottles here. Okay, and 10 mod 5 is what? 10 mod 5 equals to 0 empty bottles. So as you are able to see that our count is now what? Our count is 34 plus 6 plus 2. Okay, and total bottles here was 10 and total bottles here is 2 only. Okay, so third iteration. So as 2 cannot be divided, so as 2 is not divisible by 5, it is not divisible by 5, so we'll rest here and our answer is what? 34 plus 34 plus 6 plus 2, which is equals to what? 42. Okay, so 42 is our answer of this question. Okay, 42 is the answer of this question. Let's try to code it. It will be more easier for you to understand. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, let's initialize our num bottles. Okay, let's initialize. First of all, now let's initialize our count. Let's take our count as num bottles. Initialize it as num bottles. Num bottles. Okay, then we will run a while loop. While loop till num bottles. Okay, while loop till num bottles is greater than or equals to num exchange. Okay, till then we will run the while loop. Now let's take a as our num bottles divided by num exchange, as you know. Then we will take b as our num bottles modulo num exchange, as you are able to see. Okay, then what we will do? Then we will iterate. Okay, first of all we will take our sum means total empty bottles. Our total empty bottles is now what? It is now a plus b. Okay, means 6 full bottles plus 4 empty bottles, it is 10. So these are our empty bottles, means total empty. Okay, means the full bottle is going to be empty in further time. Okay, then we will initialize. First of all we will increase our count by a. A is our full bottles. Let's make it full bottle, and this is b is empty. Okay, full. Let's make it more precise to understand for you. Okay, empty, total empty. Okay, so incrementing our full with empty. That's done. So that's done, we have completed. Let's for example, let's make it instead of total empty, let's make it num bottles. Okay, num bottles equals to full plus empty, means we are iterating. First of all our num bottle was this 34, we are iterating it. Now we have got 10, so our num bottles become 10 here. We are iterating to 10. Okay, then we have got 2 as our answer, then we are iterating 2. Okay, in this way we are going. So after this we will return and C, means return count. Let's try to run it. Yeah, it's giving expected output. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, our code is being accepted. For example, let's try to submit a edge case. We have taken this example 34 and 5. Let's try to check that did we got a correct answer in dry run. Okay, uh, yes, 34 5, we have got 42 as our answer. Okay, so 42, as I know, it was correct. So thank you friends, and if you have any of the doubt you can ask me in the comment section, and please see my Leetcode weekly contest editorial which I have uploaded earlier. So thank you friends.